Hi friends, welcome to the Viz Talks of Rotary District 3141. I'm your host today, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 for 2021. Viz Talks, friends, is a unique and hot from oven initiative, a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. Viz Talks is an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Rotarians who by virtue of their selfless work have been doing great for the community are the ones whom we are going to interview today. We speak to those visionary Rotarians who have reached important decisive positions and their actions will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. Friends, today we have with us none other than a very close friend of mine, Rotarian Chetan Desai, a member of more than 17 years of Rotary experience in one of the biggest clubs in Rotary District 3140, that is Rotary Club of Borivali. Friends, Chetan has been one of the success stories of Rotary District 3141. He's into classification of computer training and consulting. But as far as I know him, he is a strong believer in the power of now. His attitude is that we should never forget the purpose of Rotary. He has created value out of every project handed over to him in the past and will take over the district as the district project director for Project Ek and Bhagwan. Friends, this was all about his work that he has been doing. But if you look at me from a personal point of view, I would just like to narrate him or tell something about him in a few words. He's exceptional. He's remarkable. He's extraordinary. He's laudable. He's delightful. He's a pleasant personality. He's a congenial person. He's enjoyable and a charming personality. So friends, with a small introduction, I would like to present in front of all of you a very close friend of mine, Rotarian Chetan Desai.
Namaskar and thank you so much, Dr. Manish Motwani, one of the seniors that I look up to. Thank you for this wonderful vision, and it will be my honor to be interviewed by somebody like you. Thank you so much.
So Chetan, we have worked together a lot in district. I remember you're a great president. In the year 2008-9, I was the TRF co-chair and you were the president. And since that time, I have my eyes on you all the time. I know that you are a person who is the future of Rotary. I know you are a person who's got out of box thinking. You can create value out of any project that is handed over to you. And this is what is my feeling about you. And that is the reason you have been given such a lovely project and lovely responsibility for the year 2021. Now, this is all about Rotary. We'll speak about that later. But what we all also want to know is how is this Chetan Desai on personal front? What type of a person he is? I would like you to tell us something about yourself.
Uh, Manish, Chetan Desai is what you can see in front of you. Uh, you know, I would I would like to say that I'm as transparent as I can be in front of people. Whatever you see in me, you get it. And as you already said that I believe in power of now. I don't remember past. I don't care about future. I'm focused on what is at hand, and that's my USP. Whatever responsibility is given in business, on personal front, or in Rotary, my belief is that it has to be focused and executed to the best of my potential and my ability. That's what Chetan Desai is all about.
Fantastic. How much of clarity in your thoughts. This is the reason why we love you so much. Chetan, this was about personal front, but tell us something more about your profession. And more importantly, how would you like to help others through your profession? How would you like to help Rotary through your profession? And would you like to get connected to other Rotarians in your profession?
Yes, actually, doctor, my profession is all about high networking and software training. So basically, we are into profession which is very noble of empowering people, and that too in this COVID time, it has been proven that world is moving towards digital world, and exactly that is the space that we belong to. And professionally, we do Microsoft, Cisco, Red Hat product training, and we are a quite successful company having our offices in India, US, and UK. And we pioneered the concept called bootcamp, where technology bootcamp, where people come to us, they stay at luxurious resort, and they study like they study in military, morning 8 to night 8, and when they go back, they have very prestigious certifications with them, like Microsoft certification, Red Hat certification, Cisco certification, and that is what we love to see the change that we bring into somebody's career, and that is Vibrant is all about.
So, would you like to support Rotary through your profession?
Now, as I told you that look at the responsibility that I have next year. Uh, I am very thankful to Sunil for giving me one of the responsibility, which is taking care of elderly. Now look at, if you, I give example of my dad. If you ask him that, dad, why don't you pay online bills through uh, mobile application, he will find it difficult. So there are so many senior citizens in the city who might be finding it very difficult to use the digital platform, which is such a vogue thing and which now is becoming a necessity rather than a luxury, that one should know these things. Otherwise, how to take care of your accounts, how to uh, take care of your bank accounts, how to take care of various aspect of digital world. If my team at Vibrant is can able to make difference in any senior citizen's life in Mumbai by empowering them with this knowledge, we are more than ready. So my profession absolutely will help Rotary and the beneficiaries who are elderly. I feel they are in need.
Fantastic concept. Now, coming to the most important part of the interview, what is your responsibility for the coming year? You know, you are the district project director. That
Yeah.
means head of the entire district for that particular project for Ek and Bhagban. Ek acting continuously towards hunger eradication, and Bhagban. These two are the projects which are closest to the heart of our district governor, incoming district governor Sunil Mehra, and he has entrusted these two main projects and the third one, Big Impact, all to Chetan Desai. So you understand how important you are for him, and I'm sure you would have done your preparations for it. Kindly tell us, what are the preparations done? One, and second, do you see COVID as a challenge or an opportunity? And a person like you would definitely be having a second plan, or a plan A, or a plan B, or a plan C to cover up for what Corona has done. So please tell us in short about what is Bhagwan and Ek about.
Uh, Ek is, in a very easy to understand manner. I have renamed the project as Annapurna. So Annapurna is something which we relate to very easily. Uh, to give you the idea about the project in a very simple term, that if you listen to a poor soul, he might be saying, फेंक रहे हो खाना आज तुम, क्योंकि रोटी सूखी है, जरा इज्जत से फेंकना साहब, मेरी बेटी 2 दिन से भूखी है. And that's the dilemma the entire city is living in. One side, we have excess food. You go to any restaurants, we are talking to Swiggy, they have excess food with them, and you can see how many migrant workers are just leaving the city because they don't have food to eat, they don't have vocation, they don't have job. So our idea is to address this situation, where eliminate the food wastage, and second, mitigate the hunger needs of the city. And for that, uh, I would like to thank you and Sunil for giving me a very strong team. Sunil Anand, who is the person who has done a super SOP, standard operating procedure, for the entire project. And we are tying up with various organizations like Swiggy, and you are helping us with Shetty or Ahar, and Kamat chain of hotels. So we would like to mitigate, just synergize to uh, problems and create an opportunity where we accept the Rotary clubs to just provide us with the logistics. So there will be Annapurna vans which will pick up the food from the collection centers that we have identified in 10 places in Mumbai, and then it will go to the beneficiaries which we already have identified. So that is the first project, and for that I would like to appeal all the clubs in the each zone that come out with a global grant project where you can facilitate the Annapurna van with testing facility, and then we can take up this project on a big way. Second project is Bagban, which is very close to, I think, our heart. I just give you, Manish, I'll take 1 more minute on this, that you'll be surprised to know that one of the elderly women in this very city, 84-year-old Ramabai, she was alone in the home. You know why? Because the family and her son left her to go on a vacation, and she was alone. And she was hungry for 7 days. And this is the scenario for many homes in our city. So we have identified around 55 old age homes as far as all these zones are concerned, and we are going to do great projects with inmates of all these old age homes. And a big project will come up in the month of December, where we will involve all these elderly people, showcase their talent on a big stage, and we invite all the Rotarians. Just imagine the scenario: 1,000 Rotarians looking and appreciating the talent of all the senior citizens of Mumbai. And it will just going to be one of the best electrical evening that you will ever see. And we have done it in past, and I'm sure that it will be a great project. As far as the challenge of COVID that you were telling about, I think month of July will be a significant opportunity for all of us, because many clubs that you might have seen in this COVID time have had lot many migrants with food, lot many hungry people with food. There are kitchens running, and we have gathered all this information. And believe me, on 1st of July, with the help of a strong team that we have, we are going to feed. I'm not going to disclose the figure now, but we are going to feed many hungry people on the 1st of July.
So,
Okay.
Chetan, absolutely noble job. Your confidence is just blooming. And I know that with the type of confidence you have, you are a person who can motivate so many others. This video is going to be heard by many Rotarians who will get motivated by it, by many non-Rotarians who will probably come out to you and say, yes, we want to donate for this, we want to contribute for this. And also by many corporates who would like to do their CSR projects with you. So, Chetan, you have been just brilliant in what you have said. And it is my pleasure that you are there with us today for this interview. And thank you so much for accepting my call and coming on today. I hope you have loved the show. I have loved hosting it. I hope it was a pleasant time for you too.
a, a brilliant concept, Dr. Manish Motwani. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity, because this is the opportunity where we can reach to each and every president of this dynamic district, and we can appeal to them that, along with other things like membership and foundation, these big projects, big impact projects that Sunil always says, big impact projects, we want your association, and we are sure that we are going to make difference in thousands of senior citizens and hungry people of this great city called Mumbai. Thank you so much.
Great.